Welcome to Best Choice. The best John Deere oil is probably one of the most crucial choices you'll make for your equipment. Choosing the right oil can dramatically impact your machine's performance, lifespan, and overall dependability. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of John Deere motor oil, exploring its benefits, and helping you understand why it's a top choice for maintaining your valuable machinery. Number 5. John Deere Turf-Gard SAE 10W 30 oil. This is John Deere Turf-Gard SAE 10W 30 oil. It's designed for 4-cycle gas engines. This oil provides maximum protection for your lawn and utility equipment. This oil is specifically formulated for 4-cycle engines. It's the perfect choice to keep your equipment running smoothly and efficiently. Using this oil will help extend the life of your engine. Remember, this oil is for gas engines only. Be sure to check your equipment's manual to ensure compatibility. Using the right oil is crucial for optimal performance. The SAE 10W 30 viscosity rating ensures optimal performance in a variety of temperatures. It provides excellent lubrication and protection. This helps the engine start easily and run smoothly. This oil provides maximum protection for your lawn and utility equipment. It helps to reduce wear and tear, keeping your equipment in top condition. Trust this oil to keep your machines running at their best. Each purchase includes 2 quarts of oil. That's 946 milliliters or 32 fluid ounces per quart. You'll have plenty to keep your equipment well maintained. What we like. This oil is specifically designed for 4-cycle engines, ensuring optimal performance. It provides maximum protection for your lawn and utility equipment, keeping them running smoothly. If you're looking for a reliable oil to maintain your small engine equipment, this is a great choice. What people say. This Turf-Gard oil is cheaper on Amazon than buying it at a box store. This is the recommended oil for my John Deere riding lawnmower. It has kept my Deere running for around 20 years so far. I highly recommend this oil for your Deere mower. Number 4. John Deere Double Oil Change Kit. This kit is designed for your John Deere equipment. It includes everything you need for a complete oil change. It's a genuine John Deere product. The kit comes with 4 quarts of oil and 2 filters. This ensures you have the correct parts for your machine. It's a convenient all-in-one solution. This kit fits a wide range of John Deere models. It's also compatible with some Scotts and Sabre mowers. Check the list to see if it works for you. You're getting authentic John Deere parts with this kit. This ensures the quality and performance you expect. It's a reliable choice for your equipment. Keep your equipment running smoothly with this oil change kit. It simplifies the maintenance process. It's a great way to protect your investment. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for a complete oil change, saving you time and effort. It comes with genuine John Deere parts, ensuring quality and compatibility. If you are looking for a convenient and reliable solution for maintaining multiple mowers or tractors, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. I got the OEM parts quickly and for a fair price. No leaks. Oil was in a Ziploc just in case, which was nice. The filters are John Deere products so they fit perfectly and the oil is the same that came in the mowers. Number 3. John Deere Oil Change Kit, Filter and Oil. Keep your John Deere running smoothly with this original equipment oil change kit. It includes everything you need for a complete oil change, ensuring optimal performance. The kit comes with an M806419 oil filter and a combination of 15W40 oil. This ensures that the engine is well lubricated and protected. You'll receive a gallon of TY26673 and 2 quarts of TY26674 15W40 oil. Both oils are identical, providing the same high-quality protection for your engine. This kit is designed for a wide range of John Deere tractor models, including the 770, 790, and many more. Check the list to see if it fits your machine. This is a genuine John Deere part, guaranteeing quality and compatibility. Trust this kit to maintain your tractor's performance. Thank you for considering this John Deere oil change kit. It's a reliable solution for keeping your equipment in top condition. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for John Deere tractor models, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. It includes both the oil and the filter, making the maintenance process straightforward. If you have a John Deere tractor and want to keep it running smoothly, this kit is a must-have. What people say. Perfect for the 4044M with the right amount of oil and seems like a good value. Functionality, quality, fitment. Good products. Did what it was supposed to do. Number 2. John Deere Turf-Gard SAE 10W, 30 oil, 6 quarts. This is John Deere Turf-Gard SAE 10W, 30 oil. It is designed for 4-cycle engines. This oil helps keep your engine running smoothly. This oil is an OEM part, meaning it's made to the exact specifications of your John Deere equipment. You can trust it to provide the best performance. This oil is compatible with several John Deere models, including the 115 tractor, L108, and LA series. It's a versatile choice for your equipment. Each purchase includes 6 quarts of oil, with 946 milliliters or 32 fluid ounces per quart. It provides enough oil for your maintenance needs. This oil is specifically formulated for use with 4-cycle stroke engines. Using the right oil is crucial for engine longevity and performance. What we like. This oil is an OEM John Deere part, guaranteeing the highest quality and compatibility. It is specifically designed for 4-cycle engines, ensuring optimal performance. If you have a John Deere mower and want to use the same oil as the manufacturer recommends, then this is the perfect choice. What people say. John Deere oil is the only oil I use in my John Deere equipment. It is a great product and works well. I have used this oil for years and have never had any problems. Number 1. John Deere Plus 52 SAE 15W 40 oil. This is the John Deere Plus 52 SAE 15W 40 oil. It's designed for heavy-duty use. You can trust it to keep your engine running smoothly. This oil is suitable for various applications. It works well in off-road vehicles, trucks, and marine engines. It's a versatile choice for your needs. It's also backwards compatible. You can use it in older diesel engines. This makes it a convenient choice for different equipment. Specifically, it's designed for John Deere at 4 engines. It also meets the requirements for all diesel engines needing API-CJ for oil. It ensures optimal performance. This is a genuine John Deere part. What we like. This oil is designed for heavy-duty applications, providing superior protection for your engine. It is suitable for diesel engines, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. If you are looking for an oil that can handle the toughest conditions, then this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Been using it for over 25 years, tractor runs great. The original and best oil for my John Deere Gator. The Plus 5215W40 engine oil was shipped by Andrew within hours after I placed the order and I received it 2 days later in brand new condition. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.